नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ जेविन डॉक्टर मोनिका त्रिवेदी. Today's topic is character table. Okay, so what is the character table? The symmetry properties of each point group are summarized on a character table. So the character table listed all of the symmetric element of the group along with complete set of irreducible representations. Okay, so the character table is just a collective data of a operation or a characters of a particular point group. Okay, so you can see here the character table for C2V point group. Okay, you can see the C2V is a point group labeled as a green, the EC2 sigma V X Z and sigma V Y Z. XZ and YZ is a plane of symmetry. In a red one, these are the symmetric operation. The order of the total group is a 4. Okay, and the A1, A2, B1, B2 are the symmetry representation labels. Now the one is a character for this element. Okay, in C2V table, the order of group is 4, 1E, 1C2, 1 sigma V and 1 sigma dash V. Okay, so this is the total 4 order of the group. Now what is the A, B and A 1 and 1 minus? Okay, so for A means the symmetry with regard to the rotation about the principal axis. B means anti-symmetric with regard to the rotation about the principal axis. Subscript number 1, and what is the subscript number 1? Okay, so subscript number are used to define the symmetric label if necessary. Okay, like for 1, that indicate that the operation leaves the function unchanged. Okay, it is called symmetric. And for negative 1 indicates that the operation reverse the function is called as a anti-symmetric. So for 1 it is a symmetric, and for -1 it is anti-symmetric. So in a C2V characters table, you can see in a yellow the function of the symmetric functions. Okay, the function to the these are the basic functions. They represented the mathematical functions such as orbital, rotations, etc. These are further used in a application of group theories. Okay, like by this you can identify the molecule is chiral or not, is it has a center of symmetry, plane of symmetry, and optical activity or not active. So you can identify the with the help of the symmetric function. Okay, now if you see for the p orbital, that the orbital has the same symmetry as and the arrow are the pointing along with the z-axis. Okay, you can you know that the molecule has a 3 plane of symmetry, x, y and z. For a p orbital, you know that the molecule on the z-axis. So for this kind of molecule, like you have H2O molecule, you have that EC2 sigma V sigma dash V. Okay, now if you perform this operation for this particular, if there is no change, then the molecule is symmetric, and so you have to put 1 for the particular operation. Okay, so in this you can see the 1 1 1 1 are symmetric and the -1 are the antisymmetric. Now for the px orbital, okay, if you see the px orbital, there is a no change in the symmetry, so it will be the 1 in a table, or it will be the for the symmetric. Okay, and but if you rotate this molecule on C2 and sigma dash V, okay, so there is the anti-symmetric operation done. So the function for this kind of operation will be -1 in a table. So for you can see here, for the sigma V dash Y Z, okay, we have the -1 for the particular operation. Okay, for px orbital, you can see here, if you perform the C2 and if you perform the sigma V, so in both condition you will get the asymmetric function for the element. Okay, so here you can see if the px orbital on the central atom of a molecule with the C2v symmetry is rotated about the C2 axis, the orbital is reversed, so the character will be -1, which is anti-symmetric. Okay, the px orbital, if the px orbital on the central atom of the molecule, okay, with the C2v symmetry is rotated about the C2 axis, the orbital is reserved, so the character will be 1. You can see here the character will be -1 for this, so thereby the function is used also b. Okay, here now for the px orbital, here you can see, to perform the C2 as well as sigma dash v, the symmetry is reflected by the yz plane. The orbital is also reversed, and the character will be -1. Okay, you can see in this table for the sigma v yz, the character will be -1. Now for the if the px orbital on the central atom of the molecule with the C2v symmetry is reflected in a xz plane, the orbital is unchanged, so the character will be +1. If the orbital is not changed, the operation is symmetric and the character is +1. You can see here the character is +1. Now the another example is for if you talk about py orbital. Okay, if you talk about the py orbital, if you done the operation E and sigma dash v, there is no change, so the operation is symmetric and you have to put 1 on behalf of this. But for if you do C2 and sigma v on the xy axis, you will get the reflection reversed of the product, and it will be anti-symmetric, so the character will be -1. So in like b2, you will get the -1 for C2 and sigma v xz. Okay, so rotation about the n-axis and Rn can be treated in a similar way. You can see here that the rotation of E2 C2, if you done the operation E and C2, there is no change for the symmetry, so the character will be 1. And if you do the operation sigma v xz and sigma v yz, there is a change, so there will be the character is -1 in a character table. Okay, for a d orbital, the d orbital function can also be treated in a similar way. Okay, sorry. Okay, for a d orbital function, it can also be treated in a similar way. Like in a d orbital, if you perform E and C2 operation, there is a no change in a molecule, so the symmetry will be 1. And if you perform for sigma v xz and sigma v yz on the d orbital, it will give the opposite molecule, so there will be symmetry is anti-symmetric and the character will be -1 for the particular d orbital. Okay, so next is character table representation. The characters of 1 plus 1 indicates that the basic function is unchanged by the symmetric operation, and the characters of -1 indicate that the basic function is reversed by the symmetric operation, and the characters of the 0 indicate that the basic function unchanged and more complex change. Okay, then the character table representation, also known that the A representation, indicate that the function are symmetric with respect to the rotation about the principal axis of the rotation, and B represented are the anti-asymmetric with represent the rotation about the principal axis, whereas the E represents are the double E degradation, and T represents are the triple E degradation. Okay, and the subscript U and G is indicated the symmetric ungerate and the symmetric gerate with the representation to the center of the inversion. Okay, so this is all about the character table of group theory. Thank you very much.